Hey everyone, I'm Phil McCracken. And today, I'm going to show you how to advertise your visitor. Today, you're going to make a lot of money if you keep on following Phil. I tell you what, you don't need any of that SEO bullshit, whatever that is. All you need, the most important thing is your image of your company. And I do it by my vehicle branding, and it works. It has never failed for me. But most important thing, if you're gonna put pictures out there and everything else, just make sure you start with a nice, really nice scenery in the background. You wanna make sure it really represents the company well. But as you can see, we put branding on all four sides of this vehicle. We put our name on it, we put our phone number, anything you could possibly want. And we're also sponsored by Stencil Plus. You can't even get any better than that. We have a nice company that's gonna sponsor us. Come on, I mean, right there just adds value to it. We go around to the backside, you got all your numbers, anything. If somebody's driving behind you, they can see you. Any type of tools, equipment that you possibly need for a job site, it's all right here. Same thing on the branding. I'll tell you what, this is a 2003 model. It looks mint. And the wagon we picked up out of the dumpster, it is mint. The reflectors are nice, everything else. This, you can't get any nicer than this. If you went to a Bentley dealership right now, they would say, I'll hire you on the spot. You can't get any nicer than that. We want you to do a parking lot. So, come around here in the front, same thing. Branding, branding, branding. I can't even get that straight enough. The most important thing here is advertise your business. The more advertising and the image that you do, the more work you're gonna get. So let me tell you, we keep all of our receipts right here. All your receipts in one spot, always organized. You want a line stripe? You got your line striping things. It doesn't get any better than this. I'll tell you what, I've been doing it a long time. Top notch right here. I think if you guys follow me, you'll make some money and get that paycheck.